In this video, you can know 12 useful karate kicks. Before that, if you like to learn more about karate, subscribe and click notification button. Geri. It is also known as karate front kick. Make your heel and toes spring up in a simultaneous motion. Keep your leg bent and toes pointed forward. Do not let your toes point towards the floor. Mawashi geri. It is also sometimes referred to as a roundhouse kick. This kick can be thrown for a quick attack with the front leg or for more power with the rear leg. Yoko geri. It is also known as side snap kick, a fast snapping kick that can be used to the groin or ribs. The rotation of this kick generates greater power than the front leg side kick. Ura mawashi geri. It is also called as hook kick. A hook kick does not generate a lot of power, but it is often used as a surprise kick. It can be quickly snapped in order to strike an opponent's head. Ushiro mawashi geri. In English, it is called as the spinning heel kick. That kick is a powerful kick, given the momentum behind the spin and the hard bone of the heel. Ushiro geri. Ushiro geri is the Japanese term for turning back kick. Ushiro geri is a powerful kick because the back kick is thrown like a mule kick. However, a back kick can be a less accurate kick because it is aimed at a target behind the kicker. Gyaku mawashi geri. In karate, that kick uses less. It used to kick by deceiving the opponent. Ashibarai. It is also known as foot sweep kick. A foot sweep is useful for knocking an opponent off balance or to the ground. It is an easy and simple way to fell down the opponent. Hiza geri. A knee strike is often used for close-in fighting where a martial artist cannot fully extend their legs. Kakato geri. An axe kick is often used against targets such as the head or shoulder bone of an attacker. However, this kick should be selectively utilized as you are exposing your groin to a counterattack. Kansetsu geri. Kansetsu is a kicking technique used in karate. It is a stomping kick or low-side kick aimed at the side or back of an opponent's knee. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like to learn more about karate, subscribe and click notification button.